Hello, and welcome back again to our channel, Children Made Easy. In today's video, we're going to look at some fractions made easy. And in this fraction, we have 1 over 2 multiplied by 8 over 3. So pretty much, we are being told to apply multiplication of fractions. That's what we're actually going to be doing. Now, when we want to deal with multiplication of fractions, want to deal with multiplication of fractions, we look for what we call common factors. We're interested in common factors. So, for example, if we take this number here, we know that 2 times 1 is what's going to give us 2. And then we look across board on the other side, and on the other side, we have 8. We have 8. And always look for, if you pick a number down there, you cannot pick the number on the other side, which is down. So in this case, we cannot look at the denominator 3. We're not interested in that. If we take the number 1, for instance, we cannot be able to take the number 8. All right. If we take the number 8, then we cannot take the number 3. All right. Sorry. If we take the number 8, we cannot take the number 1. So make sure you get this clearly. When you pick a number in the denominator, it means you have to neglect the other denominator. If you take a number in the numerator, you have to neglect the other numerator. So in this case, we're taking 2 here, and we have 2 times 1. It means we have to neglect the 3. But we can be interested in either the 1 or the 8. The 1 gives us 1 times 1. The 8 gives us what? 2 times 4. Why 2 times 4? Because we already have a 2 there. And so we can tell that there's a common factor, which is 2 and 2 right here. So it means that this 2 can cancel out, and we'll be left with this 1 here. And then this 2 is also going to what? Go into the 8, and we are left with the 4. So that we're going to have 1 over what is left here, which is 1 here. You know, we have that multiplied by, this time not 8 anymore, but what is left is the 4 divided by 3. Once we have that, we do not have any common factors anymore. So we're going to multiply the numerators. So we multiply the numerators, and then we divide by the what? We also multiply the denominators. All right, in that order. So what we're going to get is, we're going to get 1 times 4 divided by 1 times 3, and we're going to get 4 divided by 3, or one whole number, 1 over 3, by changing it into what? A mixed fraction, because the number that is closer to 4, when we're multiplying 3, is 1, and then the remainder is 1. We divide by the denominator. I hope this helps. Thank you, and please subscribe.